since this is a Samsung, I just thought it's better if we just replace it with also a Samsung drive. That's a 1 terabyte. That's your current one. This one that was there. Old drive migration done. Now to the new one. So just gonna sort it in there. Yeah, cool. Under the installation process, old hard drive right there, and the one that's inside is inside, of course. Windows installation is in process. That's going okay. Now installing various updates after a successful installation. So this process just installing a few updates, of course, softwares, and migrating your data now from your old drive to the new drive on the computer. Realizing some of those updates. That's after, of course, a whole workout session done on there. Quick it, well, a few hours in the morning. Gotta get to sleep now. But yeah, the computer is good now. And here it is. Everything working correct. Yep, all right.